Hey everybody, it's Tiffany from The Organized Option. I'm here to give you a super quick introduction to our 12 by 12 file master. So our 12 by 12 file master is actually 13 inches across, 12.5 inches tall, and it's 3.25 inches wide. It comes with a set of 5 of our 12 by 12 flip-flap tab divider pockets, and they fit in there perfectly. You are going to love it for sorting, storing, organizing all kinds of things in your craft room and beyond. There is a little pull-up handle at the top, and yes, it does fit in most cube style storage, including the IKEA Kallax and the IKEA Expedite. One of the best things about the file masters is that they have this locking tab on the front of the box. And although it doesn't look like much, it really will prevent anything from coming out. It is going to stay locked shut no matter what you've got inside the file master. So the 12 by 12 file master, part of our file master collection, ideal for storing and organizing all kinds of things, but especially 12 by 12 craft supplies. And it comes preloaded with 5 of our flip-flap tab divider pockets. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you soon.